Okay, folks, there were several questions between these two videos, so let me answer them. The first one was, can we cancel before we flip? No, you don't want to cancel before you flip. If you look back at this first example, we wouldn't be able to cancel anything at all, right? We can't cancel the 4 with 7 or 3, and we can't cancel the 8 with 7 or 3. We only cancel when we're multiplying, so we have to flip the second one, and now we're multiplying. Now I'm ready to cancel. Okay, does that make sense? You flip, then cancel. Flip, then cancel. Never cancel before you're flipping. Okay? Now, someone also said, wait a minute, what did reciprocals have to do with this? Well, remember, we flipped this one, okay? Which is to say, we wrote the reciprocal of that one. We didn't write it as 8/3, we wrote it as 3/8. And then they said, but that doesn't equal 1 when we multiply. Well, yeah, it does. When you multiply it by its reciprocal, it equals 1. When we multiplied it by 4/7, it didn't equal 1 because that's not its reciprocal. But you see, when we multiplied 8/3 by 3/8, those will equal 1. Does that make sense? Okay, good. Now let's look at this next one. Very easy. It says divide and then simplify. What's the very first thing that I need to do here? The very first thing I need to do. Harry? Turn 9 into a fraction. I can always make a whole number a fraction by just putting it over 1. Perfect. Now it's a fraction. What is the next step that I need to take here? Elise? I need to flip 9 over 1 and make it what? 1/9. You see, if I multiplied these two, I would get 1. Does that make sense? Okay, good. Let me get rid of those. All right? They are reciprocals of each other. Okay? Raise your hand. Do I flip the first one?
No.
Do I flip the first one? Everybody? No. Only the second. What's the next thing I need to write down? Sarah Kay. I put 12/5, and what do I put between them? Multiplication sign, right? I never ever divide fractions. I flip the second and multiply. Does anyone see anything that I can cancel? Catherine? 3 goes into 9 and 12. Excellent job, Catherine. It goes into 9 3 times and into 12 4 times. Does anyone see anything else that I can cancel? Faith? No. Nothing left. So I'm just going to multiply straight across because that's the way we multiply fractions. Division is multiplying fractions, isn't it? We just have to flip the second one, and then we're multiplying fractions. 4 times 1 is 4. 5 times 3 is 15. Okay? Perfect. Done. Any questions about that? You guys feel good? Excellent job. Let's look at the next one.